Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today we will talk about 10 travel tips for a stress-free vacation. Planning a vacation should be an exciting experience, but it can quickly become stressful without proper preparation. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or venturing out for the first time, having a plan in place is essential for ensuring that your trip goes smoothly and stress-free. From packing the right essentials to handling unexpected situations, these 10 travel tips will help you stay calm, organized, and fully enjoy your well-deserved getaway. 1. Plan your itinerary in advance. One of the most effective ways to avoid stress during a vacation is to plan ahead. Knowing what to expect at your destination can make a huge difference in how smoothly your trip goes. Researching the area, identifying key attractions, and mapping out how you want to spend your days will give you structure without leaving you overwhelmed. However, while planning is important, it's equally vital not to overdo it. A little flexibility will allow for spontaneous adventures and give you room to breathe if things don't go exactly as planned. An overly rigid schedule can make travel feel like a chore, so leave some wiggle room for unexpected experiences. 2. Pack thoughtfully and lightly. Packing can be one of the most stressful parts of preparing for a trip. A simple solution to this is to create a packing checklist tailored to your destination. Think about the climate, activities, and the duration of your stay to determine what's essential. A good rule of thumb is to pack only what you need and a few extra essentials, leaving behind items that will only add bulk. Packing lightly ensures you're not burdened by heavy luggage, making transportation easier and your trip more manageable. In addition to clothing, don't forget important documents like your passport, tickets, and travel insurance. Having these essentials in an easily accessible spot can save you from a lot of stress down the road. 3. Stay organized with travel documents. One of the biggest sources of travel anxiety is misplacing important documents. A great way to prevent this is by organizing all your travel papers in one place. You can use a travel folder or wallet where you keep your passport, boarding passes, hotel reservations, and any other paperwork you might need. For added security, it's a good idea to scan these documents and save copies on your phone or cloud storage. This way, even if you lose the originals, you won't be entirely out of luck. Having everything organized will save you the frantic searching through bags and pockets when you're in a hurry. 4. Give yourself plenty of time. Rushing is a surefire way to invite stress into your vacation. Whether it's getting to the airport, catching a train, or arriving at a scheduled tour, give yourself ample time for everything. Arriving early allows for a buffer in case of unexpected delays or complications, and it also gives you peace of mind knowing you won't miss your transportation. This relaxed approach will set a calmer tone for the entire trip, allowing you to enjoy each moment without the pressure of rushing from one place to the next. If you're flying, arriving at the airport at least 2 hours before a domestic flight and 3 hours before an international one is a good rule to follow. 5. Prepare for the unexpected. Even the best laid plans can go awry, so it's important to prepare for the unexpected. Travel delays, bad weather, or even a change in attraction hours can throw a wrench in your itinerary. Instead of letting these disruptions ruin your trip, try to stay flexible and adjust accordingly. Having backup plans or alternative activities in mind can help you adapt to changes without feeling stressed or disappointed. A calm and open-minded attitude will help you go with the flow and make the most of your vacation, regardless of any bumps in the road. 6. Learn basic phrases in the local language. Communication barriers can be a significant source of stress when traveling abroad. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way in easing any tension or confusion. Simple greetings, how to ask for directions, or learning how to order food in a restaurant can make navigating a foreign country much easier. Locals also tend to appreciate the effort, which can lead to friendlier interactions and help you feel more comfortable in unfamiliar surroundings. You don't have to be fluent. Just knowing a few key phrases can help you feel more at ease and make your trip more enjoyable. 7. Stay connected, but disconnect when necessary. In today's digital age, staying connected while traveling is easier than ever. Having access to maps, travel apps, and translation tools on your smartphone can reduce stress and make navigating a new city simpler. However, it's equally important to disconnect from technology and immerse yourself in the present moment. Too much reliance on your phone or social media can detract from the experience of being in a new place. Strike a balance by using technology when necessary, but make a conscious effort to unplug and enjoy your surroundings without distractions. 8. Prioritize health and well-being. Your health should always be a priority, especially when traveling long flights, different time zones, and changes in your daily routine can take a toll on your body. To minimize stress, make sure you get plenty of rest before and during your trip. Stay hydrated, particularly on flights, and be mindful of what you eat. While indulging in local cuisine is part of the experience, try to maintain a balanced diet and avoid overeating, as this can make you feel sluggish or unwell. Also, take precautions like using sunscreen, wearing comfortable shoes, and bringing any medications you may need. Taking care of your body will allow you to fully enjoy your vacation without feeling run down. 9. Be mindful of your budget. Money-related stress is one of the most common issues travelers face, but it can be managed with proper budgeting. Before your trip, estimate your total expenses, including accommodation, food, transportation, and activities. Sticking to your budget during the trip can help alleviate anxiety about overspending. It's also a good idea to keep some extra funds for emergencies or unexpected expenses. If you're traveling to a country with a different currency, familiarize yourself with exchange rates and local costs to avoid surprises. Having a clear financial plan will help you enjoy your vacation without constantly worrying about money. 10. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. Lastly, remember that travel is about the journey, not just the destination. While it's important to plan and prepare, sometimes the best memories come from unexpected moments. Allow yourself to be present, soak in the experience, and enjoy the process of exploration. Don't put pressure on yourself to have a perfect trip. If something doesn't go as planned, embrace it as part of the adventure. When you focus on the positives and stay open to new experiences, your vacation will be far more fulfilling and enjoyable. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.